Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to find your IBAN number on the Chase app for 2025. Whether you're setting up international payments, verifying your account, or just curious, this quick tutorial will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, what's an IBAN? It stands for International Bank Account Number, and it's a unique code that helps banks process transfers across borders smoothly. Now, if you haven't already, make sure you have the latest version of the Chase app installed on your smartphone. To get started, open the Chase app and log in with your usual credentials. Once you're in the main dashboard, look for your account summary. It's usually the first screen you see with your balances and recent transactions. Next, tap on the specific account you need the IBAN for, like your checking or savings account. This will take you to the account details page. Scroll down or look for a section labeled Account Information or Details. Here, you should see key details like your account number, sort code, and yes, your IBAN number. If it's not immediately visible, try tapping on an option like More Details or International Info. The IBAN is typically a long string of letters and numbers, so once you spot it, you can easily copy it to your clipboard or write it down. One quick tip. If you're having trouble, double-check that your app is updated, as layouts can change. You can also head to the app's Help section for additional guidance. And there you have it. That's all it takes to find your IBAN on the Chase app in 2025. This process is quick and secure, making your banking life a lot easier. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.